L'Hopital's rule is a math rule that states that if we have a limit with a numerator and a denominator, and it will equal the same limit as the numerator's and denominator's derivative, provided that that same limit towards a of the top and bottom are both 0 or both plus or minus infinity. It's easier to give examples. Here's limit x towards 3 of x minus 3 divided by x squared minus 9. A regular way of doing it is by factoring. If we factor the bottom, we get x minus 3 times x plus 3. Those x minus 3's cancel each other out. We're left with 1 over x plus 3. And we plug that 3 in. It equals 1 over 3 plus 3, which is 1 over 6. And what I do notice now, as x goes towards 3, the top goes towards 0 and the bottom goes towards 0. And the rule is if the top and bottom both goes towards 0 or plus or minus infinity, we can use L'Hopital's rule. So here's L'Hopital's rule. Here's that limit again. The top derivative is 1. The derivative of x squared minus 9 is just 2x. Plug the 3 in. It's 2 times 3 equals 1 over 6. And here's one more example. The limit x towards infinity of x plus 1 over 2x minus 5. Jig the regular way, we can divide every term by x on the top and the bottom. So if top and bottom is divided by x, it doesn't change its value. This 1 over x and 5 over x go towards 0 as x goes towards infinity. We're left with 1 over 2. But I also noticed if I plug in an infinity in for x, the top's going towards infinity and bottom's going towards infinity, I can use L'Hopital's rule. Derivative of x plus 1 is just 1, and the derivative of 2x minus 5 is just 2, and there's our answer. And thank you for watching.